Superhuman AI email. In this video, we're going to be talking about an incredible software called Superhuman, and we're going to be going through all of its email processing softwares. Now, Superhuman is the most productive email app that has ever been made, and you can collaborate much faster with your peers on this app. It's the biggest problem finder hiding in plain sight, and it also uses AI to help you. So, to get started for yourself, you're going to come over to superhuman.com. Now, once we do that, we're going to click on Get Started. So over here, it says save 4 hours per person every single week. So I'm going to go ahead. You can either sign up with your Google, Microsoft, or enter your own email. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my Google. Now, once we are done with that, you're simply going to click on continue and it should take you onto the onboarding. Now, Superhuman has three inbuilt plans for you. So you have the starter plan, which is $25 per month, business plan, which is $33 per month, and then you have the enterprise plan. Now, all three of these plans are quite hefty. They do have a pretty good markup on it, and this is the yearly plan. Obviously, on monthly, it even grows more. So as you can see, they are pretty expensive plans that you can work out with, but their features are amazing. So on the $30 plan, you can see you get email productivity, superhuman AI, team collaboration, calendar and scheduling, unified admin and billing, group productivity coaching. And as we go on, we have advanced AI in the business, superhuman for sales, HubSpot, Salesforce, and even Pipedrive integrations, and so on. So if you want to use it for yourself, you can go ahead and match up the features for yourself and you can truly see if it actually works for you and your work. Now, when it comes over to what it actually gives you, first of all, we have Superhuman AI, right? So Superhuman has AI powered emails for your high performing teams. So you're probably wondering, how will AI help us when it comes to emailing? Now that's a good question, and the answers to your questions are your ideas can be turned into an email because all you're going to need to do is you're going to give the AI a prompt on what you want your email to be, and AI will create the exact same email just better than what you're imagining. So you can stop searching for different details to write your email. You can simply ask AI to do it. Even if you've written an email by yourself, you can ask AI to review it as well. So, in use cases like you're in a business and you're trying to write off emails to other business adventurers, this AI will be perfect for you because it can go ahead, review your emails, schedule your emails, and even auto summarize different conversations that are going around in your emailing system. So basically, that's the main idea of superhuman AI and how you can use for your email providers. Now, if you have any follow-up questions for this video, do let me know down in the comments below. And obviously, you're probably wondering, is the high price worth it for this platform? Now, that depends on what type of business you're running. If you're a small scale business, I would not definitely recommend you to go ahead and try this straight away. But if you are a person who's making well enough for their business and you have around 100 to 200 employees, then I would definitely urge you to use Superhuman AI for your emailing system because not only does it streamline all of your work, but it makes your life easier as well when it goes into contacting with other people. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.